I'm going to show a cool tip that is there on the xFrame application, which comes with the 3D structure creator role. This is an AI tip that we recently launched. So this is a browser-based app that we have. We call it as xFrame, where like similar to SolidWorks Weldments and structure systems, you can create your beam models, all of that. And so it is on cloud and it's a browser-based app. We can create pretty much huge models, as you can see on my screen. It can handle pretty big models. Now I'm going to show a pretty cool tip here. So in these kind of structures, so it is often we have, the plates, different type of plates in a structure and end caps, to shut off the close or maybe to add a support to the structural frame. Now, and you can notice that here I have a rectangular plate, I have a chamfered rectangular plate here, and on the top I have an end cap. Now, if I want to replicate this to all other beams or locations, you can imagine how much time will it take. So you have to go pick each member and add these plates. It's going to take a lot of time. And you can, and it is also not linearly spaced so that I can easily do a linear pattern. So here it comes, the design assistance for selection, which completely automates your plate creation. So when you click on the plate, so we have a context menu. In the context menu, we have design assistance for selection. So when you select it, in no time, it gives me a possible selections of all the plates that is possible. Right? So there are 14 locations the plates can be added. Now it will not limit at this. I can go and pick some more plates, which is having also different properties to it. So here is a, chamfered rectangular plates. So when I click on that, so again, it will go and pick that, and there are 24 suggestions it has given. Right? It's not only limited to the plates, you can also select the end cap. So I have an end cap on the top. I'll click on this. Now, the selection got increased to 38, and all the selections are over here, the end caps. So it properly places looking at the member properties and everything. So this is a very powerful AI tool that we have developed. And also, if you're not happy with the results that it has given, you can anytime go and click on this yellow block that we have, so which will basically skip the plate on that member. If you want to add it back, so you just select the preview, it comes back. So when I click OK, it will process and adds the plates and end caps to all of the members that it has shown. So this is a generative AI. So it reads the member properties, how it is getting trimmed. It reads all of those properties and what is the length of the member. It reads all of the properties and provides it with a solution. So each of the plate that was on the member had different properties to it. So it may be a different length or the different corner trimming that it was having. So based on that, so it understands and picks all those members where it is having the same, properties. I mean, here, even in xFrame, when you're creating members, so you have a sketch with entities, you just select the, one of the sketch entity, it goes and finds, very similar, goes and finds a similar sketch entity and adds the member to all of those.